We're going to boil this meat till it gets tender. About an hour to an hour and a half. Reduce down the fluids, and then I'm going to add my onions and my chopped tomatoes to create the sauce. I'm trying to go a little dry on this one. Okay, it's starting to render down now. We want it to render down all the way so this gets a little bit more dry before I add the tomatoes and the onions. I want all this fat to kind of burn off instead of leaving it for there to be a layer of fat there. Almost there. It's starting to get thick. So time to add the onions and the tomatoes. Yep, that's what we want. Onions added. Next will be the tomatoes. Final product with the tomatoes is sweating down a little bit.